The global market for power tools will reach $35.13 billion by 2029. And one of the growth drivers is the widespread demand for mobile, flexible, and compact power tools. Some manufacturers are already working on it. What do you think of this attachment that turns a regular cordless drill into a pump? It has a flow rate of 3 liters per minute at 1200 RPM. The hoses are made of chemical-resistant polymers and can withstand harsh conditions, such as pumping motor oil for long periods of time. And the 1 meter long hoses are enough to work comfortably. The current price is $335.
Transfer of fluid. And of course, if you're just putting oil into a diff,
a reciprocating saw is also useful, especially if it has a double blade. This model is made in Germany and can cut hollow bricks, drywall, foam concrete, and a variety of plastic and wooden parts. The cable is 4 meters long, which, combined with a weight of approximately 6 kilograms, provides great freedom of movement on the site. The handle can be positioned on both sides, and the blower option protects you from dust and adds convenience. Its compact dimensions make it a good choice for work in confined spaces, for example at height and underground. This German tool costs about $933. Is your neighbor still remodeling his home? Maybe it's because he can't get enough of his quad saw. It's a revolutionary box cutter. Just attach it to a drill to create rectangular or square holes for outlets, switches, and more. The manufacturer says the job will be 4 times faster, and you'll get perfect results the first time. The blade has an adjustable depth and lasts for about 280 cuts for drywall up to 3.4 centimeters. In addition, there will be less debris during the work, and if you want to get rid of it completely, you can connect the tool to a dust removal system through an adapter. The price of the standard kit is $200. Apparently, this includes the cost of manufacturing in the UK. People send all kinds of things through the mail. For example, a romantic Chinese man decided to surprise his girlfriend and put himself in a box to be delivered to her workplace. So, you have to be careful when opening packages. You never know what or who is inside. Here, we have a knife created for clean and fast work. The cutting width is 6.5 millimeters. The blade is suitable for stretch wrap, cardboard, plastic strips, and adhesive tape. In addition, it can also help you with repairs, as it cuts even flooring. The design is convenient and at the same time safe. Only a small part of the blade is open, and it can be replaced without tools. The knife weighs only 52 grams and is priced at $14, so you can take several with you and share them with your co-workers. Our selection continues with a pneumatic post driver. It'll be useful, for example, in pasture lands and farms to delimit the space. There are many models. For example, this one offers up to 75 strokes per minute, a weight of 15 kilograms, and a maximum available pressure of 5.5 bar. The standard adapter is perfect for round posts up to 6 centimeters. Interchangeable adapters are available for square or custom-shaped posts. Interestingly, the opinion among users is that while it's great in terms of technology, it's also quite curious how people are willing to avoid strenuous physical labor. Many believe that it's better to go to the gym and do it all manually and much faster. How many workouts do you think you'll be able to buy with the $795 you save? Wooden projects have been trending in Europe for years. A few years ago, the inhabitants of the capital of Sweden didn't like the design of the apartment buildings on a lake, but when the architects proposed to build them from wood, they won the public's approval. For that reason, woodworking tools are and will be useful for a long time to come. A good example is this extra hand for decking installation. It's suitable for boards from 85 to 150 millimeters wide and allows for hidden fastening even for beginners. The top handle can withstand pressure up to 100 kilograms, and the boards can be spaced from 3 to 7.5 millimeters. The tool is priced at $61. If you are a bicycle enthusiast, pay attention to the screen. This tool will be very useful for both bike enthusiasts and bike shop owners. It combines the advantages of a multi-tool and a torque wrench, which means that each bolt will be tightened with precise torque control. This is very important because if over-tightened, a bolt can break. The torque wrench rated up to 16 Newton meters of total force, which is enough even for installing pedals. The 12 bits of different sizes are stored in the practical pocket that comes with the tool case. Less assembly time and more time in the saddle, the ideal solution for beginners and professionals alike. In addition, the entire set weighs about 200 grams, making it easy to carry when you go for a ride. The price is $50. In the words of its creator, this is the latest innovation in adjustable ratcheting tools. A universal ratcheting tool, an adjustable wrench, and a vice grip in one unique tool. The designer has already patented his invention and is ready to discuss production with interested parties. The patent documentation is 19 pages long and it's filled with technical information. Among the advantages of the tool are its ingenious three-sided nut and bolt gripping system, its compactness, and the fact that the design can be scaled, which means the tool can be made larger or smaller. What you see on the screen is just a prototype. The designers plan to reduce the size by 40% and add more functions. Next, a dispenser for painters. It can help you quickly prepare a large room for painting. On one side, you load a roll of masking film or paper, and on the other, a roll of painter's tape. The manufacturer highlights a work rate 4 to 5 times faster, convenience, and the option to install a special cutting blade for the cleanest possible trimming. The tool costs $45, and the blade $25.50. Sounds expensive? Not in vain. This manufacturer has made it onto the list of the largest US companies by revenue, which is no easy feat. And with real estate prices in that country dropping significantly last year, it's time to prepare for mass repair orders and work as fast as possible. Next, another upgrade for your drill. This time it's a plate cutter attachment. The manufacturer recommends using it with a 12 to 21 volt drill and says that it's suitable for almost all models in this range. The basic material is high manganese steel, and it can cut any millimeter thick steel plate very well after a simple installation. The tool for installation is included, and the device will save you time and effort according to the description. The price is only $11.50. We continue our selection with a simple but effective tool for flooring removal. It can easily handle tiles, vinyl, wood, and carpet. Thanks to the system with 2 blades of 8 and 13 centimeters, even particularly resistant materials can be tackled. The tool is 142 centimeters long, and the slightly curved handle with non-slip grip increases comfort. If the blades start to fail, you can easily sharpen them on your own. The manufacturer says that the tool is even ideal for demanding jobs and asks $47 for it. At first glance, you won't know what you're looking at on the screen. It looks like a staple gun and a hammer at the same time, but it's actually a tool known as a hammer tacker. From labels and posters to insulation, The model works with 4 to 6 mm staples and has great versatility. It weighs 410 grams, and its all-metal construction ensures durability. The excellent balance and non-slip handle allow you to easily get used to the tool, as well as work quickly and neatly. The tool is priced at $50, and a pack of 2,500 6mm staples costs $7.5. Here, we have a product that won an award at the largest agricultural event in the Southern Hemisphere. This mini trencher will make life much easier for workers who have to install pipes, electrical and network cables, drainage systems, and the like, where time and space are tight. A single person can easily dig a trench up to 750 millimeters deep without spreading soil all over the work area. The applications are limitless, says the manufacturer. However, not everyone agrees. People in the comments write that the trencher will not work on too dry or hard soils, and the price is not too attractive. $2,900 for the trencher alone, and $5,900 for the set with the dolly. Watch an interesting movie in a few minutes without rewind? Easy.
We got a great-looking audience tonight.
The Sweet Popcorn channel has a mega convenient format waiting just for you. Short retellings of movies, from auteur films to Hollywood blockbusters. Pick up your unlimited ticket by clicking the subscribe button.